Yo, people. All right, so I had to go to the Apple store. I had an appointment at the Apple store today. My speaker on my MacBook was rattling like crazy, like it freaking exploded, which is crazy because it's a brand new MacBook. And well, it's not doing anything now. So, but the Apple store is at the Domain here in Austin, and they had some cool decorations. So I'll show you the this thing right here where there was like a ton of pumpkins strung across the this big kind of a sort of an outdoor seating area. These are so cool, and I guess you could sit out underneath them at night. They probably light up. I'd love to see it at night. And then check this place out. Torture chamber, the Wonder Bar. They've got a big 12-foot skeleton up, and then it looks like they're doing a lot of blacklight stuff on the inside. It's pretty much, it looks like it's almost like a haunted house on the inside. Super cool. They're like totally decking it out right now, probably for a big Halloween party. The Wonder Bar, man, that looks so cool. And then there's this place called Dogwood right here, and they've got all these ghosts floating all in front. Pretty sweet. And then there's this one with the spider web. So pretty cool decorations over here in the Domain area. This is a really high-end shopping slash it's like a high-end retail and food location. Lots of stuff to eat and do over here. And it looks like it's fun for Halloween.